The periodic table of elements is complete. There are no gaps. And there were gaps in it up until as late as the 1950s. One of the last elements to be discovered was technetium, named tech. You know what the definition of tech is? Human-made.
Wow.
That's why technology is we made it, it's not in nature. Tech means artificial, human-made. That element doesn't exist in nature, so we created it. Nature makes elements up to 94. We have created elements beyond that up to 118.
The number is the amount of protons in the
number of protons, correct.
So it's like we have one with 8, we have one with 10, but we can't find the one with 9.
Right, so
we
then
know
we
it's
find
out
the one
there.
with 9.
Gaps.
That's how you know that there's a gap, because it's a discrete number of protons in the nucleus of these atoms. So yeah, there's gaps above 118, but not in the main table that you saw hanging in the front of your chemistry class.